how to lock your Telegram app. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to add a lock screen to your Telegram app for added privacy and security? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Telegram on your device. You will land on the chat section. Tap the hamburger icon at the top. A menu will appear. Select Settings, then select Privacy and Security. Under Security, you will see an option called Passcode Lock. Tap on it. Now tap Enable Passcode button. Then start creating a PIN. Finally, re-enter your PIN to confirm it. With these easy steps, you have now enabled a passcode on your Telegram account. But here is one more important setting to adjust. Tap Auto Lock. A drop-down with different timings will appear. Select 1 minute, then tap Done. Now, if you remain inactive for more than 1 minute, then your Telegram app will lock automatically. Once these settings are done, your Telegram account is fully secured with a lock screen. Let's finally test the app lock. Close the Telegram app and return to your home screen. Now wait for 1 minute. If you open it instantly, the lock screen won't appear. Remain inactive for at least 1 minute. After 1 minute of inactivity, open Telegram on your device. It will now ask you to enter your Telegram passcode. And boom! You have successfully locked your Telegram app. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.